In today's tutorial, you're going to learn how to add store details on footer in Shopify. If you don't already have a Shopify store, click the link in the description below to register and you'll get 3 months of Shopify for just $1. Now let's get started. Head over to your Shopify store and click on Customize. Just like the header and the announcement bar, the footer is a default element, meaning it shows up everywhere. On your homepage, product pages, and so on. When customizing your footer, you can add new sections, but options are a bit limited. For example, you can use a custom liquid section for code, or you can use an email sign-up section, which is usually there by default. You can also add blocks to the footer, which gives you flexibility to place different elements. One of the most important steps is setting up your legal pages. If you haven't done that yet, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Settings, then Policies. Shopify gives you default templates for things like refund, privacy, and terms of service, which you can edit with your own details. Once you have those policies ready, you'll need to add them to your footer menu. To do this, go to Content, then Menu. Click on Footer menu and add menu items. Select the appropriate policy pages and save them. This step is very important because showing these links is required by law. After adding them, go back to Customize, and you'll see the legal links appear in your footer. You can rename the heading to something like Legal Links if you want. From here, you can keep customizing your footer with additional blocks. For example, you can add brand information, which will display your social media icons and brand details from your theme settings. You can also add text blocks, images, or links to things like your latest collection. My advice is to keep the footer clean and simple. Include your legal links, maybe a collection or brand info, but avoid cluttering it. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.